So it's good afternoon from Castle Combe Steam Rally. I'll try and take you for a walk around and show you what's here. I'll show you some of what's here, but it's a little bit spread out. Massive Scammells. I'm just going to walk around the truck area in this video. There's a substantial display here. Okay, faithfuls. Lovely little load of Albion. Here, Foden. Trying to skip. Moggy, Unimog. Classic Citroen. These are lovely. Trio of old Scammells. Cut down this way and show you. So you've got 6 man. Most of those mans went for export. US Air Force GMC Astra. Peterbilt. G89. It's a bit of kit. I remember when that DAF was first completed and the first show it was taken to, which was at Pendine. So it's God, that was maybe 2016. I'll take you up here. This one's been causing a fair bit of stir. You've already spotted it. Someone has decided to customise a Transcontinental Ford. And they've made it into a conventional, which just looks odd. You've got a lovely original Transcontinental, been restored. Mark 1 Magnums. I used to have a note on the door of those reminding you not to jump straight out. The road turns radar. And we got a bit of rain. Ski yoga at Leyland. Oh, that was lovely. Vienna. Nice little ERF, but it's hidden in the back here. You just see it in the back. There's another FH down the back there as well. Cool little Mini. They are a bit spread spread out. It's not possible to do a complete walk around. Again, Carpenter's 88, that gets to a lot of events. Lovely Freightliner. That 93 is familiar. I just noticed I can cut through. So we'll go down by the side of this Leyland Comet. Lovely. Check it out. Fuel gauge. I'm gonna squeeze through here. Gardner. Gardner display, it normally gets to Welland. FG Bonds. I just thought I'd stop and let them get a photo quickly. A couple of the forest lads here. Beautiful Scammells. I expect these will be at Wartime in the Vale.
Pub bars are shorter than the food bars.
The queue for the food. I think that's a Dennett's. It's been converted. And that used to be local bus company, Cottrell's. Bedford or Vauxhall. I'll just take you over here and show you. This is lovely. Big old Commer. So yeah, that's it for the trucks, or the majority of the trucks that are here. So I'll catch you on the next one.